Mechanisms of action of germicides. Germicides may act by the following mechanism of actions. First is the oxidation of protoplasm. Oxidation is a chemical reaction where certain species are oxidized, thus losing their electrons or hydrogen atom on the process. In the case of protoplasm, which is a jelly-like transparent substance within the microorganism cell, it will be disrupted when oxidation takes place, destroying the organism's ability to function. Agents that have this type of mechanism of action are halogens and their derivatives and other oxidizing agents. Next, denaturation of microbial proteins or enzymes. In biology, denaturation is the process of modifying the molecular structure of the organism's protein. It is also responsible for the breaking of many weak bonds within the protein molecule that helps in keeping the natural state of the highly ordered structure of the protein. Examples of denaturation agents are phenol derivatives, phenols, and alcohols. Germicides also has a detergent-like mechanism or action. Detergents are surface-acting agents. This means they are amphiphilic compounds that lower the surface tension of the medium in which it is dissolved, thus making it a great cleaning product in the household as well as in industrial areas. The phenol coefficient, or also known as the Riedel-Walker coefficient, is a measure of a germicide's potency. It's the ratio of the test chemical's minimal concentration required to destroy a 24-hour culture of B. typhosa in 7.5 minutes at 37.5 degrees Celsius to phenol in the same circumstances. Next is the factors influencing the activity of germicidal agents. First is the concentration of the drug and the duration of contact. In general, the higher the concentration of antiseptic, the greater is its effect. However, alcohol is an exception to this, and at 70% concentration, maximum antiseptic effect is seen. Second is the susceptibility of the organism. Spores and viruses are resistant to many antiseptics. And lastly, temperature. A temperature rise will increase antiseptic activity.